Earlier we discussed that EBV resides in B cells latently. This means that there's not much gene expression. So the immune evasion strategies of EBV is that it's a plasmid, but you will not know it until you may receive mononucleosis, which is where the symptoms come from, because because there's no gene expression. Also, with EBV immune evasion strategies, it has a latent protein membrane, 1, that mimics cytokine responses, therefore causing the cells to be able to replicate. Once replication begins, this is where you will see most of your symptoms. There aren't any symptoms if the virus is latent. Also, the Journal of Infectious Diseases states that most persistently infected people will have the virus within their saliva. Therefore, once it gets transmitted from person to person, it's usually through direct contact, whether it's kissing or drinking after someone. The statistics of Epstein-Barr virus. 90% of prevalence is within the United States. This is because it is a part of the herpes family. This doesn't mean that everyone has Epstein-Barr virus, but they do have the herpes strain. Like I stated previously, that the strain is dormant. Therefore, if someone does have mononucleosis, they wouldn't even know it until symptoms are expressed. But the strain is in 90% of people, which is way more than any other virus. The symptoms of Epstein-Barr virus. Like we said, you may not see the symptoms, but if you do, you may not recognize that it's the virus. It differs between children and adults. In children, the symptoms aren't as prominent, but in adults, you will form mono. Symptoms could be such as fever, sore throats, or even severe conditions such as blackouts and things of that nature. Also, according to the Gale Encyclopedia of Medicine, mononucleosis will clear up after 2 months. After the 2 months, it will just lie latent, but the virus will be in your body for life. And this is because viruses aren't treatable just as of yet. Treatments and symptoms and diagnosis. Well, treatment, like we said, is a virus. So treatment has not been yet found, but you can treat the symptoms. The symptoms, fever, sore throat, can be treated as such as typical over-the-counter drugs such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Thank you.